końcu.
Warte.
Oder was? Ach du Oder was? Na?
Not good.
Wart! Geh! Ja, pass auf. Was? Oha!
Ich war 2 Zentimeter hinter dir.
Ach du
Du wolltest mich fangen und da waren so viele, okay?
So, like, I think 2 people got catched. It is quite sad. Oh.
Oi, meu chapa.
Oh yeah, we're fucked. Oh, we're so fucked. Ih, fudeu, rapaziada, polícia. We're so fucked. Se fudeu. He's definitely stopping us for the wheelie, I think. Acho que tá parando a gente por causa do grau dele.
Appreciate you guys stopping.
For sure.
Just for you, I just speeded 85. It's a 70 zone. So then you got me. I respect you. Guys in a hurry to get somewhere?
Nah, just gonna skip it, man. Yeah. No bullshit, dude.
I got you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Someone called you in down by Portal Way, so I was sitting there looking for you guys.
Yeah, pretty big group, and some of us, you know, I'm not gonna say I wasn't doing stupid stuff, but
I got you.
a lot of the guys were going
Okay.
quite a bit faster.
I got you. Well, again, I appreciate you guys stopping. You got your driver's license on?
I don't know.
Oh, it's going pretty good. How about you?
I'm good, yeah.
Where are you guys riding to?
Blaine.
Blaine?
Yeah.
Want to get some food or something?
No, just, I was hanging out with a buddy, and he was like, oh, there's a group like going on.
You good?
They got him wheeling? Is that what
No, speed.
Carlos?
But like only like 15 over.
Oh,
He's just giving us a warning.
okay.
Just since I got everybody stopped, do you have your ID on you?
Yeah,
Awesome. Are you the owner of the bike?
I am. Do you need the registration and everything as well?
I'll just write down your plate on my
Okay,
notebook.
cool. Is he giving you a ticket?
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Was it a good one?
Huh?
Was it a good one though?
It was, yeah.
Dude, I'm hitting balance point.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a warning on the speed. Please be careful. We've had a lot of issues with bikes going down, especially with the cold weather, with the ice. Last thing I want to do is go into your parents and tell them that they lost you because you guys were doing something stupid. Just be careful. I'm talking to you as a person, just please be careful. Like I said, we see it all the time. They're always your age. They're going down, they're getting hurt. I don't want to see it happen. You guys you seem like decent dudes, so please, all you guys, be careful. Okay, tell your buddies too.
Yeah. We appreciate you, man.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you,
appreciate
Shay.
it. So you guys have fun.
Thank
be
you.
safe. Please slow down. Go the speed limit. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
All right, let's get back to
Yeah.
those people.
There's no way just wheeling out of that, bro. Yeah, he's slowing down a bit. About 94 now. Coming up on us. He's trying to change looks like it's finally stopped.
Show me your hand! Get off the bike! Get off the bike! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back! Put your hands behind your back! Don't you freaking move! Stand up and roll on over to your buddy. Walk back here.